I'll say,
You threw up there and you threw up on the blanket.
got so excited.
It looks like a lift to me. It doesn't look like anything solid.
It's all that water. And he's all hyped up for everybody.
Ben this year at school, if Ben will talk to you and he'll, sometimes he's a little blunt, doesn't mean to be. He started to tell me, he's like, I'm not trying to be rude, but. Okay, this year, in school, like
A
they.
lot of kids are like that today.
But this ain't right.
It's like Veterans turn that corner, but not.
Well, I mean, it's just, he's really honest.
Yeah.
And there's nothing wrong with that, but it just sometimes comes out a little blunt. And so
Well, the
this
good
guy-
thing about that is that, my take on it, is that
You know,
at least you know where you stand.
Yeah.
If he's being honest with you, that's a great thing.
I am.
The good book says the truth sets you free. If we could all come to grips with it. Good thing about being, whether it hurts or it don't hurt, is being honest.
Yeah.
And you know, honesty does have.
But then when he is acknowledged, you know, hey, I would try to make that my person talk down to me. I just.
Yeah, but, you know, things, you know, that shirt is really ugly. Or, you know. Or,
Yeah, and maybe we can learn to keep our thoughts to ourselves.
yeah.
Pull that, you look at it and say, man, clothing is subjective now.
Yeah. Or I don't care what it is, I do. He's gonna tell me grandma's better.
What is that right there? Where you pick that up?
And I said, I use the same recipe.
Do what now?
Whatever I cook, he's gonna tell me grandma could do better.
Oh, yeah. You're not doing it right.
Was it Granny Neal or was it Grandma Dicey? He used to say, don't do as I do, do as I say do.
Exactly, oh my God.
Grandma Dicey. She said, don't do as I do, do as I say do.
Yeah. I never, it used to be so bad when my parents would say that, because I said so. And I was like, I never gonna say that to my kids, so I say it all the time.
All the time.
Cause they just don't let it go.
Because they say, why?
And there's never a good reason, a good enough reason. It's always, like, whatever I come up with, they're gonna.
Or, and what? And too, man, in our quest to, this is my, in our quest to